Okay, basically what we're doing here is we have a sealey MIG and we're just setting it up for normal MIG wire basically. So first thing I probably do is I check my polarity, right? Very simple. You have two wires, you swap them to go gas, you swap them the opposite way to go when you're not using gas, when you're using flux core or whatever. And it doesn't matter what kind of gas you're using. If you're using CO2, argon mix, you just go gas one way and you go no gas the other way, flux core. Today we're using gas. So as you can see, I have the top one set up for the air clamp and at the bottom set up for the machine. Okay, so that's that part done. Next now we're going to go to our drive roller. So just flick the thing, remove my drive roller. Now if we look at our drive roller, as you can see, 0.6, and if we look at the other side, the little numbers on it are 0.8, 0.9. Every roller is the same. It has the same numbers, and all they mean is the little gap here for the size of your wire. Okay, so today we're using 0.6, so 0.6 facing out to me, and I'm just gonna refit that back in there. That's typical. It doesn't want to go in there when you bloody well want it to go in there. Yeah, this always happens. The minute you start rolling the camera, nothing wants to work. Okay, there it is. Now, little cover. Put on my little cover. Okay, now, next, you go to a wire, 0.6. As you can see, I just have a little bit of tape holding it. And with this particular machine, it's just a spring. It pushes over, and I thread up a little nut. Okay, and when I have that knot tight, I put this little lock nut in place, and that keeps it. Okay, now when you take off this piece of wire, as you can see I have a bit of tape holding it. It will literally unroll the whole cable if you don't hold on to it. Right, so every bit of that wire will unroll. So once you have that taken off, you need to really hold this wire. Okay, and then you just start feeding it into your mechanism here, right? Into your drive roller. Now, obviously, as you can see, I only have one hand, so this is going to be quite difficult. Now, so as you can see, start here from the roll, through the sleeve, in by my drive roller, and then into my gun. Okay, just get a small bit in there, right? Then close up your drive roller. Now, and as you can see, my wire feeder is set up from my coil in here and into my gun. Okay, next now we're going to turn on the machine. Okay, machine is on, and we come to our gun. Now, as you can see, I have the tip removed and I have the shield removed off the gun, just to make it easier for the wire to get up and through the gun. Okay, so now I'm going to squeeze the gun to make the wire feeder work and suck in the wire. Now, another thing you have to watch as well is that you keep the wire from your gun nice and smooth, nice and straight, no kinks, no bends, to make it easier on the wire coming through the sleeve. You just keep that going there now. Now, another thing you could do is you can turn up your wire speed to the max to make it run that bit faster to suck the cable through, but I like to leave it at 7, but it's up to yourself. I'm just going to keep feeding this now, feeding. And when the wire is actually nearly there, you'll actually feel the vibration in the torch. So I know it's actually nearly there now. And there it is. So when that pops out, you get your tip, you wind on your tip. Okay, and then you put on your shield once more. Okay, cut your excess off, snip, or just wind back your roller, turn off your machine and just wind back your roller till it's perfect the way you want this, so you don't have to waste the wire. And that's it. That's your wire in and you're ready to weld. Okay, thanks very much.